Okay, and here we go, right here. We're gonna put it in right now. Here we go. Right in. See, it isn't very difficult. Just insert one bolt, then the other. Just start screwing them in hand tight first. Get them all in secured, hand tight. And now we start adjusting it in right now. 10 millimeter. It's 10 millimeter long. Start securing it in a little bit better. Now, I just put it through this like this way. Because it goes in real easy. And then when I start wrenching it in, it'll be just about secured. See? Do it like this. Just get all corners. You always want to be aware of all your wires around here, because you are putting in a throttle body. Be careful what you do. Now we go for the, there we go. Gotta be, don't try to He-Man it. Just, there we go. Easy. Just take your time. Just take your time. Here we go. See? Just take your time. And there it is. It is now secured inside. Before I start connecting all these, I'm first going to put back my coils, put them down right there, because I had to loosen this and take this one out for room. Nice, secure. This one. Make sure this is nice and down. go. Secure. Now, turn around, and we get first things first. Get this all secured. Got a little hose right here. You got to connect this in. That. Make sure that's there. Connected. See, get the bolt right in here. That's another 10 right there. As you see, this also has a hose right here. It connects at the bottom. Snug in. There it is. Nice and tight. Can't go too tight because it is plastic right here. Don't want to break it. Alright, so there we go. Now, we come right here. We put this in. There it is. Get your flathead right here. You just tighten that down. This flathead right here, you tighten it down. You could use an 8mm also to tighten it down, but I like the flathead. Get more to see everything, what's going on. But you also can use 8 now. Go, popped in. Good. Make sure it's in. There you go. Right there. Now we come over here. This. Make sure it's in. This is also either flathead or 8mm. And do is just tighten it down for the cup right here to grab. There you go. Just tighten down. Everything looks good. Now we come over to this side. Before we put that on, there's a hose right here. Right here. There's a hose right here. You gotta pop this in right here. Pop in. There. Pop right in. There's this right here that goes right in there. And this is your 8-pid cord. See how it has 8 pids right there? Gotta have the same thing. You have 6 and 8. Gotta always remember which one you're gonna get. When you look at yours right there, you make sure you count those. There's 8 right there. Now, there it is, clock ready. Everything's set. There it is right there. You have just seen how to put a throttle body in. Very simple, very easy. There's nothing hard to it. Now, basic, simple way. I am the doctor. If you got any comments, go ahead, text me, call me, put the views out there. I want to hear everyone's comment. Tell me what you think. If you have any problems, let me know on any car. You can always put a suggestion there. I am the doctor. Peace. Have a nice day.